Hi my friends, how are you doing? Sorry for the environment. I'm at the parking lot because I have the stuff in my car. I don't take them out. Today's topic. I was in search for a light stand, a travel light stand, okay? Because when you travel, you want to go light. If you take a plane, every kilo, every gram matters, okay? So I found a light stand, a very small light stand, and very lightweight, about 700 grams weight. Sorry for that. Here it is, Ambitfull GM220. Okay, here we are. Guys, it's not big. It's very, very small. And I was thinking that with this light stand I could use my godox ML60B version 1, okay? But no, I was wrong. If you are going to use this light stand with a godox ML60B version 1 or the Aperture Amaran 60X, is it called, or D? This is not going to work. No, forget it, okay? I will show you why. Here we are back again. This is the ML60B on the Ambitfull. I don't know how this thing is called. Oh man, this is not steady. You see, it's very, very, very dangerous to fall off. I am not going to use it with this light. Maybe if the light is a smaller one, maybe it's going to work. But with my ML60B version 1, nope, 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 no. So guys, the quality, it seems okay, but really I can't trust this tripod to put my light on it. I don't know, maybe with my camera back attached to this light stand, maybe it will be more steadier. But what if a kid runs on it and it falls down and it hurts the kid? Sorry, no. Maybe with a smaller light, I don't know, maybe with a Zion, these new ones, these very, very small lights, maybe with that. But with the ML60B or the Amaran, for me, it's a no-go. Okay, that was it. Sorry for the environment. I hope you find this video quite, you found it helpful. Write me in the comments what you think. If you have found steadier travel tripod for not big lights, but okay, you maybe know the size of the ML60B or the Amaran. If you have something, please let me know in the comments, send me a link, okay? Thanks for watching. See you until the next time. Ciao, ciao.